So this is going to be a short, quick video. This is my SUREFIRE EDCL2-T. And this is the bent pocket clip. I never really like a pocket clip, and I normally don't use it. But every once in a while, I temporarily use it. And then this happens. Well, it's partly my fault. I drive a car with fixed back bucket with 5-point harness, and this one got caught on harness. So, yeah, you can say it's my fault. So, there has been many videos out there already. So, probably some of you have already seen. In case you have never seen those videos and you have never taken apart SUREFIRE light before, what you have to be careful is pocket clip comes out this way and goes in this way. And there is an O-ring right here. So you have to remove this before removing the clip. Otherwise, you end up cutting this and you're going to have to get the new O-ring. Another thing is, this is really tight fit. Usually they are really tight. So what I do is use corner of the tabletop, countertop, something like that, and then just work it, and it comes off. I may run this flashlight without pocket clip, but today I'm going to try to bend it back. Let's see if it works. So now the gap is completely closed, so let's try to put it back together. Yep, cutting board did the trick. So put the O-ring back on. Put some silicone grease on. This is super lube. This is good stuff. You know, this is NSF H1 rated, meaning it is safe to use something that can come on contact with the food, and made in USA. Just a little bit. Yep, the pocket clip is now really tight, tighter than when it was brand new. I don't clip on these things on pants pocket, but hold on. Yep, now they are tighter than when it was brand new. Yep, retention is good, better than when it was new. So this is SUREFIRE pocket clip fix.